Hello children, let's continue our second class. Now, this one we have already done in previous class. Now we are going to start our second class. We have already learned before that how the computer has started in early years, but actually the computer, the calculation or counting numbers. The first one in this table, they have given us a table about the history of computer. The first one which we are looking at is like 3000 BC, 3000 years ago before Christ. Chinese people developed this abacus device or tool that they are using for calculation. It is a calculating device that may or may not be made from wooden frame, or these are all the round thing which are in the middle are called beads. These are called beads. You have must seen in our school also the one which I have drawn here. It look like this, the one which we are having. So, we have similar with this one also, but that one is not made from wood. It's made from plastic, and these beads are made of plastic also. So nowadays also some people are using steel for calculation. In 3000 years ago, 3000 BC, Chinese people developed this one, and after that in 1617 AD, John Napier, a Scottish mathematician, developed Napier bones, a manual calculating device. This is a manual calculating device, and this is also we are having at our school. Sigi Napier bones ki sigi device sigi kamai tawuno hai matamda simaina chai ama lei bazida sida number mayam iraga yawba sida number mayam ibaje sida chai ahobajida sida 0 1 2 3 iba aduga si mathangi dana saina tangkhai saina cross khaiga sida number do iba. You can check later on at school. I kona school karakanda yengba yagani. Remind me about that one. I'm gonna remind the Puraknava class da. Or we can go to math lab and check that one. Math lab the chatlaga check the yagani. We have that one in math lab. So Scottish mathematician habidi kanano. Who is mathematician hamatamda? A person who is using knowledge of mathematics ki knowledge sijanaraga moigi problem mayam natraga mathematical typical problem mayam solve tawba da sijanaba. They must be working with numbers and data and quantity structure aduma mayam model mayam natraga dumba akoigi yamna math sijanaraga solve tawnaba hotnaba adumba mi singdubuni mathematician haise. Maje Scottish mathematician amani. Next one is Blaise Pascal gi Pascalinariba device I cannot show you. You can check it on your smartphone or any computer. Google dadum thibada noigi si adum yengba yagani. Pascaline haiba device na kaino tawgadorib je hamatamda we can use for addition and subtraction only. Addition and subtraction ga katang hot payaba. He was a French mathematician. Maje French ki mathematician amani. Next one is von Leibniz, maje German mathematician ni Step Rockner batokiba. This device we can use only for multiplication and divide. Multiply natraga divide tawba number ani multiply natraga divide tawba da sijanaba sigi von Leibniz na puthokiba device. Next one is I cannot show you this device no. Si device di utpa yaroi akhoida leite. Joseph Mary Jacquard china kaino puthoije maje mathematician natre French weaver ni weaver habidi akoi textile habidi phisa lonsa akoi dumba leiba dumba lonba khopada tawwa man lon adumba tawmi duni weaver. He has developed a punch card. Punch card ajina kamai tawno hamadamda how it is used for calculation purpose ta kamai na sijanabano hai matamda mana introduce torije kamai tawno hai matamda akogi che je sida leiraga che ama leiraga sida che ama leire che ama leibasida sida punch taw aho hutpa aho hutlaga hutlaga si aho hutlibajigi matungina magi sida hutlibajigi pattern gi matungina akoina number je answer je result je haiga dawa kogi hutlibajigi pattern gi matungina akoina result je haiga dawa sumain tawdana he has introduced this punch card looms. Next one is our father of computer, that is in 1822 and 1833 AD. Sida akoi Charles Babbage na magi difference engine and analytical engine sigi tool ani or device sigi device sida maji English mathematician amani maju mathematician ni magi device ani sina it has changed the world akoi computer gi lamji yamna hongre. So I will tell you a brief about that one. Why all the device which were developed before is not successful as his. Mana puthoiba device si successful oraga atopa mayam dina kaigino successful oidrije. Why he is called the father of computer. Father of computer kawije kaigino mongonda haiba matamda atopa hana I puthoiba device mayam je it's not successful as his difference engine. Magi difference engine je simak asmaina successful oideba aduga magi difference engine naiba device automatic mechanical calculator automatic oiba matunda hochaba ngamba aduga and the very important thing is complex calculation tawba yaba with a very large number achoba complex calculation tawba yaba aduna maram oidana this was a successful device in our history of computer. That's why he is known as the father of computer. When the father of computer aina khangarije magi si successful oiba device sina maram oidana and after that difference engine in 1822 the difference engine je puthoba matungda si analytical engine je puthopa matamda mana magi difference engine je improve tawnanaba he is trying to develop or for more accurate and easy way natraga akoida accurate oinanaba develop tawnanaba more complex mayam honanaba tawnanaba honabada research taw matamda he could not finish maje laibak thibadagi naraga laigidre he could not finish his work. That is analytical engine magi sigi machine je kano to bangam gidre lotion bangam gidre aduga ma laigidre aduga magi colleague mayamna lotion gi sigi analytical engine je. Now after developing difference engine he was trying to develop a new device or machine that is analytical engine. Why he was trying to develop this machine? Because he was trying to build a programmable computer and capable of carrying out tasks or command set of instruction. He was trying to develop a programmable computer capable of carrying out tasks based on a set of instruction habadi instruction khara piraga command khara piraga akoina device da command khara piraba matungda can calculate akoigi anka je or maths नत्रगा numbers मैम जे calculation तौबो ngamba instruction खरा पीरगा सिगी पोचनी माना सानबा तौरमे बजे research थिगतलगा सेमनबा तौरमे बजे but could not finish his work in his lifetime magi lifetime da sije finish tawbadi ngamamdre this incomplete machine magi smaina loidaba incomplete machine je hawjik phawba London Science Museum there display taraga lay but later on in 1991 the magi tribute utpoina this analytical engine je mana original plan tarambado adi matungina fajana working oiba ama saba loigi. That's why he was called the father of computers. Maina yamna changes oiba successful oiba device ama puthomadagini he is known as the father of computer. Koina hojik phawba maje Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer because he is the one who gave the idea of fully programmable computer. Seasoning. This one is important. Kaigino maje father of computer kauje hai matamda he is the one who gave an idea, who first gave the idea of a fully programmable computer. After Charles Babbage has given the idea of fully programmable computer, now Lady Ada Lovelace, she is an English mathematician and writer. She has developed a programming language that is called Ada, which took after her name Ada, and she is known as the first programmer. Programmer are those person who is also known as a programmer are also known as coder or software developer. These are the person who used to write code or give instruction to the computer or machines. Now, after that, Herman, an English statistician, developed tabulating machine which work on assisting in summarizing information stored on a punch card, the one which we have already learned before. It is the punch card in looms. This tabulating machine is work or assist which are already in punch card. It summarizes information stored on the punch card. This machine is developed in USA. After that, in 1943 AD, Howard, that is American mathematician, developed a Mark I computer, which is developed by IBM. It is an automatic sequence control calculator. This Mark I computer is a automatic sequence control calculator. Automatically, we can control this calculation. Now with the continuation of our class, John von Neumann has introduced the concept of programmability. Programmability is nothing. It's a capability within the hardware and the software to change, accept a new set of instruction or alter its behavior. Moigi hardware habadi akoina kunna paiba yaba amasung software hamna akoina program tawraga instruction pigadoriba moi machine maraksida instruction alter tawba yaba hongdok hongjen yaba accept tawba ngamba adugumba gi concept ama mana piba hore. Later on in the following years, Mauchly, Eckert and others all developed this ENIAC, IDVAC and UNIVAC. Now the result of our this modern computer came. Modern computer look here, and do you know, still now in like country like Japan and China, they are still using abacus, which they can calculate faster than using an electronic calculator. Electronic calculator sizinabadagi hena thuna hotpa ngamba kisi sizinaraga. Now let's go into the generation of computer. Higi mathang generation of computer jina kaino tamdoji haiba matamda when the development took place, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔ ꯗꯦꯕꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡꯀꯛ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯏ. Distinct phases. This is called generation. ꯇꯥꯡꯀꯛ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯩ ꯀꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ generation ꯀꯧꯋꯦꯕ. ꯇꯥꯡꯀꯛꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯍꯤꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯡꯀꯛꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ, the technology used in that time, each generation of computer, ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯃꯝꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯇꯤꯐꯤꯛ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ, ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯆꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯏ. ꯑꯅꯧ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯗꯦꯕꯂꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ. Let's go to that first one. In the second table, now we have already learned this one in previous class, I think. First generation, that is from 1942 to 1955, we have used a vacuum tube. Vacuum tube si sizinay, vacuum tube si sizinay matamda kaidawi. This yamna chakalli haigre, maji bulb to na tawi aduna yamna chakalli sigi vacuum tube si shin bedada paisadu mayam ting badina adugini expensive haiji. Si yamna thuna chakalli, yamna sai sigi matamgi computer ji yamna saba maram oidana yamna chakalli aduga kanadaba mayam ama leibaduni adi matungda mathang puthoraiba mayamsina we are going to develop and more accurate one. Look here, what are the features of this time? Big in size, the computer were big in size, slow in operation, computer calculation nama hotpa matamda yamna kuina changba, and expensive. Here expensive means which I have told you before also, vacuum tube sizinabagini moina expensive hoy haise. Atopa computer sabaju expensive oibe adubu vacuum tube so adu yam thuna chakanbanina sinbadada paisa yamna changba. Consume lots of electricity. Electricity yana change. Error prone oire kainogi error yam thokanba. Now in second generation develop, or this one much easier to use than the before first generation. Second generation the hand developed already. Smaller, faster, cheaper. This 3 point. Smaller, faster, cheaper. Every generation kudingi sigi point chapmanani. Smaller, faster, and cheaper. Hongtharakpa. Asagi chakandrabnina poto hongthare yamna consume tawdre akogi paisa adagi yamna thuna hotpa yare, error mayam khara handare. Aduga electricity chabaju handare. Adu kaino sida sizinari ja matamda they use transistor. Transistor ji sizinai. Hi transistor ji sizinabadagi akoi second generation da kanaba hore. Second generation da kanaba hore. Like that in third generation da kaidore, that is the same point as before. Smaller, faster, and cheaper. Smaller, faster, and cheaper. See ngasai aina haiba dumaina first generation, second generation, third generation, every generation kudimang ngasai point to chamane smaller, faster, and cheaper. Smaller, faster, cheaper area see generation jidaju consume lesser energy than before. Mogi ahambagi generation dagi hena lesser oiba consume tore. Sidana kamai tawri ha matamda the transistor je khara punchhallaga integrated circuit amoina seme IC moina transistor je khara punchhallaga single chip amoina punchhallaga moi masen je saujannaraga amatang moina seme. Simaina sema aba matungda sigi transistor je you can still now we are using in some toys and all. Akoigi sanapot angangi sanapot ni khangde kai ni khangde amma chamasu akoigi sanapot singda remote control car singda adum sije noi leibado thugai wa binate kalumba thengna taragadi akai bagumba lai taragadi manungda asigi transistor je thengna gani manungda dum yawbani yawdabji yaramgani adubu thengna taragadi dum yengjallo asimai tawba masak manaba yaramgani asije hojipau adum sijanari. Now After this IC, the fourth generation. In fourth generation also same thing as before. Fourth generation daju ngasai mamangi point myan chap manani, smaller, faster and cheaper. Hena piktharakpa calculation thurakpa. Faster means nothing lamjin chen bedu nate sidadi calculation thuna hotpa yarakpa. Smaller habidi ngasai akoina machine natraga device to size to handarakpa piktharakpa asigi akoigi chip chi sijinabadagi. And faster means the calculation part, and cheaper paisa jo tam tamna sum hongthare hana yam tangambadagi paisa yamna samada changambadagi. Then previous generation dagi consume lesser power also. Sida lesser power hana charamba changdagi hantare. In this fourth generation, look, the transistor akoina mamangda tamiba transistor akoigi second generation da sijinaba transistor je thousands amadudana kai kawi masing khara kaktang several habadi masing khara kaktang punjallaga sidada thousands da punjallaga chip ama oina amatang oina punjallaga seme adubu kai kawi haba matamda that single chip is called microprocessor. Microprocessor haji kaino transistor mayam do mayam ama punjallaga sembdubu amatang oina punjallaga semba potubu microprocessor kawi. And in the fifth generation, these are not only faster, extremely fast, yamna thuna calculation to yaure adigi multi calculation to yaure simultaneously koigi multiple number of calculation amtang da hotpa yare, and very small, much cheaper than before, and consume less power also than previous generation. Million of transistor packed on a single chip. Hamdana kaitawi fourth generation and thousands of transistor packed toramba single chip ta hojikna kaidore millions of transistor packed on a single chip. That is USLI. Hamdana kai fourth generation na LSI, VLSI, or fifth generation na kaidawi USLI, ultra large scale integration circuits. That is fifth generation. Ji kadai dena kadai ba 1989 to present. Hojik phau oibujida. The one which we are using in our school, office, or anywhere, ayambana sigi fifth generation. Ji manutandani. Now here comes the end of our class today.